Hello. Have you ever wondered how businesses manage their finances? Um, I was also a bit confused before like 1 year, like how these big businesses manage their finances. But here's where accounting comes in. Accounting helps to keep a record of financial transactions, so it's better for the stockholders, promoters, and also for the CEOs to manage their finances and look into the business and take financial decisions. I know in most of the people's mind there are so many questions roaming around like what is accounting, how it helps, like how can businesses get profit from doing accounting and managing their accounts. So today I'm going to clear all the doubts and I will also provide an example of Microsoft at the end and give a conclusion how it helped them. There is a mindset in everyone's mind like accountants are needed when they have to file the taxes, but it is not like that. It's the main thing about accounting is it helps to record the financial transactions, and the most important thing is it helps businesses to communicate to the promoters, to the stakeholders, and helps them to analyze the company and what steps are to be taken, so the balance sheet gets improved. To explain what does accounting do, let me give you an example. Let's assume there's a company A and they are having a less profit margin. They will go into the balance sheet, the CEO will go into the balance sheet and look into that why our profit margins are less. When the CEO is looking into the cost, he will find that the marketing cost is more or the raw materials are costing more, the labor is expensive. So while analyzing the balance sheet, they will know what's the main cause. So now they know the cost, so they can solve it and increase their profit margins. So this is how accounting helps a company to analyze and increase their business profit. Similarly, like the profit margins, there are also various types of other problems in a business. They have to look into it. They can't manage all of them by one single person, or they can't just remember all the things. So when they are looking into the balance sheet or their accounting statements, they will find out where they are lacking in, and they can work on it. They can also find the future opportunities in the business, so they can start working on it and they can plan ahead. Now let's come to profit. Is the main thing every business tends to look into it. So there are so many types of benefits which accounting provide. One of them is keeping a record of financial transactions. Like the company can analyze their financial transaction and look into the management, like what things they need to do in the cost and the marketing cost and the profit margins or the revenue. Now the second thing is it helps them to find the next opportunities in the future. It helps them to plan and execute their plans better. They also provide accounting also provide accurate information. It's not like just dreaming about something and all, but it provides facts. So it's very accurate and helps decisions to make successful. So the next question is who uses accounting? It's a very interesting question because everyone thinks that accounting is only used by businesses to maintain their financial transaction. But no, it is not so. Every individual spend their money and they gain some income. So keeping a record of that is called accounting. You keep a record like I spent $50 on the grocery, I got a payroll of $100. That's accounting. When you file your taxes, it's accounting. So each individual, government, businesses, all of us use accounting. Now, I told you about accounting, how it helps and how it is beneficial, but let me give you an example of the company who used accounting very well and they were beneficial. The company's name is Microsoft. It always grabs the next opportunity. How? Because they manage their accounts. They have prepared various types of departments in their company and they provide precise information to the top level managers and the CEOs so they can take future decisions precisely. The information in the accounts is very accurate. That's why they are grabbing all the opportunity and they are having very less opportunity cost. They are spending more in the accounting. It's very expensive, but they have got the benefits of it too because their stock never fall very down because whenever the government intervenes in their process, they find it a clean record because they have managed their accounts very nicely and the government doesn't find any problem in them. I would like to add one more topic so that it helps the students who want to become an accountant. I'll tell how to become an accountant. There's a course named Bachelor of Commerce and you can take a major in accounting. There are also various types of other courses like BBA. You can take major in accounting, but the main thing is your major should be accounting. After this 4 years course, you can be also a CPA or you can just start a job in accounting firm, or you can also open a firm of your own and you can start a business of accounting. So, for the conclusion, I would like to tell accounting is very beneficial. It helps companies to look into opportunities in the future, and it helps company to grow faster than usual. I know it's a bit expensive, but it is a must needed in every company. If every company starts looking into it, their company's valuation will increase, and also they will have a better decision making skills.